guys, today in this video we're making gluten-free cookies. You can make this a vegan recipe if you sub out the butter for vegan butter. Then it'll be gluten-free and vegan. But today I used regular butter. This recipe was inspired by Trader Joe's Almond Flour cookie mix. And it only makes about like 6 cookies. Honestly, I think my cookies are better. Here are the ingredients. Feel free to pause here, or you can find the whole recipe in the description box. First, we cream the butter and sugar in the processor. Pulse that until the sugar and butter start to come together. This will sound weird, but the texture should remind you of moist dirt. Next, we add the dry ingredients: almond flour, tapioca flour, coconut flour, egg replacer, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Pulse all of that until the mixture gets crumbly. We're aiming for something like this. Now add the chocolate and a splash of almond milk, and finally pulse it all together until a ball starts to form. Quick note here, I roughly chopped up the chocolate so we get larger chunks in the cookie later. It should look like this. Scoop it out into a bowl and let it chill in the fridge for 15 very long minutes. After those 15 minutes, we're ready to portion and roll the dough into balls. I feel like I don't have to say this, but just in case, please make sure to wash your hands before this step. After you've laboriously portioned and rolled those balls, throw them into the center rack of an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 10 to 12 minutes later, you should have some beautiful looking cookies. The cookies are done. They look wonderful. They look beautiful. There's a piece here, like right there, and it has like the juiciest, chunkiest chocolate. That's why I cut the chocolate pieces really big in the beginning. It's like really chewy. I look inside and you see that there are like chocolate chunks in there and it's gooey. I cannot stop looking at how gooey the center is, and like you can see the chocolate. It's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, please subscribe. Bye.